Hi friends, I am Sagar Sopanemgar and today we have discussed pharmacology. Today we have discussed a topic in constructor. Constructor is the same as the constructor is the same as the method, and constructor name is the same as the class name. Constructor name is the same as the class name. Constructor is what is meant by constructor. Constructor is the block of the statement and block of the code to implement of the method and implement of the mainly used in class. Constructor are used in the within the class. It is not of the out of the class. Then constructor rules of the constructor. The constructor name is the same as the class name. The constructor name is as same as the constructor name. Sorry, class name is the same as the constructor name. Then it is a node, no any used in written data type. Then constructor constructor it is not used in abstract final super abstract final keywords. Then types of the constructor, and there are mainly two types of the constructor are used in constructor mainly two types of the constructor. First one is the non-parameterized constructor, and second one is the parameterized constructor. We have seen first is a non-parameterized constructor. The non-parameter constructor is the do not use any parameter from the class only of the constructor. The for example is syntax of the parameterized non-parameterized constructor is the class. First one is class name, then open curly bracket, block of the statement, then constructor name as like to same as the class name, then block of the statement, and lastly state of the constructor from for example of the constructor non-parameterized constructor. The for example of the non-parameterized constructor class name we have suppose that bike, and then open curly bracket, then uh, string bike name, then bike in then bike system dot out print dot out print ln, then bike name string bike name, then closing curly bracket, then used in main another class, then used in main method, then used in bike which is creating object, and then used in uh, creating object b1, and bike is equal to b1 is equal to new and bike name, then b1 is equal to void interface, and then display the method. Then second one is the parameterized constructor. Parameterized constructor is the used in number of the parameter. The fixed number of the used in constructor is parameters of the constructor. Then used in the syntax of the parameterized constructor is the class. First one is the class, then open curly bracket, then block of the body, then class name is the use creating the constructor, then it this using the passing the parameter using the argument of the this closing the curly bracket, and then closing the class body. Then constructor is the used in then for example of the constructor class, then class using the class name class name, then we have suppose that class 1 class name is the animal, then used in uh, string name, then used in animal creating constructor animal and creating parameter as the constructor animal string animal name, then closing curly bracket, then another closing curly bracket, then using another class, then used in main method public static void main, then creating class object, then used in creating class object, then animal is a new animal, then a is a display overall the class name. Thank you.